Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan documents with a scanner or printer and save them to your computer directly. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you. So let's jump into it. First, you have to add your document inside the machine. You have to open the lid up and place your document here. You can place it vertically like this if your content is vertical, or you can also place it like this horizontally if you have a horizontal document. You can also see the size of your document here. Right now my document is A4, and as you can see, if you place it correctly, it's going to fit here perfectly. You must be careful to place it correctly, because then your scan won't be successful. So yeah, then when you place your document, just close the lid, go to scan, and at the scan section you just have to choose the file menu, and this is going to save your document as a file in PDF format, but you can also change the format. This touch screen is quite slow, but it is going to work. Here you can choose the file format, and when you have done that, you just have to tap on the start and it is going to scan it and save it on your computer. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.